firework here and an Indy race car firework here. And they are going to shoot into this giant water balloon and pop it.
Maybe. And
We'll see.
And if we don't pop it, we'll have to...
Axel's gonna stab it with that, yeah. I'll tell you when to stab it, okay, if it doesn't, okay? All right? Okay. All right, bro, hurry up and light both of them, okay? You gotta hurry. Go! Light it.
Oh.
Uh-oh. It's okay. It's okay. Stand back. Oh! That was so cool! Dude! And there it goes. The monster truck's going crazy. Come on over here. Watch. Watch. Look. 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 Here it goes. Watch. There it goes. See the sparks in the front? Oh, dude! We are gonna shoot a Roman candle at one of these giant water balloons right here, and we're gonna watch it pop in slow motion. All right, you ready, bro? All right, let's do it. All right, one time at the bushes. Okay, now aim it right there. Oh. That was so cool. Wow. Nice work, bro. There it goes. Boosh! That was so cool! Oh my gosh! It looks like one of those movies where you see the meteor like traveling through space and then like, whoosh, like crashing into Earth or a planet. All right, you guys, now it's Indy race car versus the dozer. Let's see it, bro. Stand back, get back. That was cool, man.
Oh, look at the blue smoke.
Yeah, look, there it goes, there it goes. And boosh. It just barely moved the dozer.
That's because of the track wheel.
Just barely, yeah, you're right. Yep. So, dozer versus Indy, dozer wins. Alright, you guys, well, that was a lot of fun. I just want to make a quick video for you guys. You guys get out, use your imaginations to find creative ways to live your life and love everyone around you. No matter what you have, no matter where you are, you can have fun just like you see us doing. Just use your imagination. Now, these videos we've been doing lately with fireworks and doing really crazy stuff, lighting dollhouses on fire and stuff, this is stuff that you guys cannot do at home. You guys should not do at home. But we are entertainers, you guys. And so sometimes we like to do fun videos and make really interesting creations that you guys can look at and see. And you don't have to do it.